How to create transparent backgrounds. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you guys can create a transparent background. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to open up a web browser. After you've done that, you can then scroll down. After you've done that, simply head over to the top here and then search for a background remover. After you search for background remover, the web will show you a lot of different background removers available. Now there are a lot of good ones. We will be using Canva. So you can select Canva's online image background remover. And after you do that, you'll need to drop your image here. So drop an image. You can choose any image that you want. So drop your image here. Make sure that the image is not too crowded. And if it's crowded, it's going to take a lot of time or the background is not going to be detected at all. After you do that, Canva will start detecting your background. A moment you will find the image and you can remove excessive parts by simply tapping on this. You can simply remove. You can find the erase option and restore option as well. So you can restore and erase. You can also change the brush size here. So let's remove and bring back this point of the sword right here. And you can be precise with it. You can zoom in and start erasing stuff again by your own. And after you do that and after you're satisfied with the result, you can then download the image. Now downloading the image is also quite simple. All you have to do is tap on this share option and you'll find the download button. Let it load. And there you can see the download option. Tap on download. And you'll need to select PNG since we want the background to be transparent. So you can tap on transparent background, then tap on download with Canva Pro. After you do that, you'll have downloaded a background free or transparent image. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.